the last time that we're supposed to have a protest, few days to the protest, he initiated a distraction when he started having issue with a billboard. This time around, when they want to give a final judgment, when everybody's interest and eye is channeled towards the court, he started the fight in a plane just to distract us. Now the judgment has passed. He knows that the Igbos are mourning. We are crying, we are weeping. We are trying to profane a way forward. Everybody is trying to gather himself together. And now put up this video to tell us that this case is a distraction, that we should focus on what the other case is on right now in this country, if not this Nnamdi Kanu's case. Calling this Nnamdi Kanu's judgment a distraction is as good as telling a core Christian, that Jesus Christ is not the issue, that you should forget about Jesus Christ and talk about some other apostles, some other disciples of Jesus. Is as good as this. This guy is a traitor, he's an agent, he's working with government. We are watching you. We already know who you are, but I feel pity for people following you. These guys' followers, I don't even know the difference between the followers and a religious person.